Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and this episode of something that I have never done before ever, and that is I'm gonna open a box, like one of these subscription boxes. I never thought I'd be able to do something like that, but I was at the Swedish Beauty Awards 2018, which was very fancy. Like, people were dressing up for like the red carpet and I was not. No, but it was so much fun. You got to meet like people from the brands and influencers and people like writing beauty in magazines. It was amazing. And we got this amazing goodie bag, and in the goodie bag was Glossy box. And this is April's Glossy box. This is called Hey Beautiful. This is the Swedish box, maybe even Scandinavian box. I think that they have like in Norway and Denmark as well, so I'm guessing it's somewhat a similar box in those countries. Glossy box is a Swedish brand. A lot of I feel like I am teaching you a lot of things here on my channel about things that are Swedish, like Glossy box and Spotify and Petra from Pixie. Like, we got things going on here. But anyways, Glossybox is a Swedish company and they are available in Canada, UK, Austria and US. So if you wanted to get Glossybox, you can. This video is not sponsored by Glossybox. I literally got this box in the PR, in the goodie bag at the event, and I thought, why don't I unbox this with you here? This is the Swedish box, but the thing of it is pretty similar in Sweden as in US. In Sweden, the cost of the box is 139 crowns, and you can get a discount if you order for more than 1 month ahead. And you get one box every month and they look like this coming in the mail. In US, I think it's $21 a month. They do have a lot of famous brands, both in US. Did you see me spit? Sorry. Both in US and in Sweden. I know that last month they had a Sleek palette in Sweden, and I know that last month in US they had a CoverFX product. So I mean, they do have known brands and they also have lesser known brands. They are both full size and deluxe samples, and I am very intrigued. Like, I have never tried a box like this, and you open it like this and I have never opened it. Look, did I tell you that the box is called Hey Beautiful? The April's box? I think so. So maybe even if you, it's almost open, even if you can't get the exact same box in US or in the maybe in the country where you are, you could see like what Glossy box is all about. So when I open the box, I see that there's a magazine. Huh, that's cool. It's a Glossy magazine. Glossy magazine number 4, 2018. This is Swedish blogger Kissy. Alexandra Nilsson. I've never followed her blog because she used to have like this very preteen blog, and I never followed that. Also, this is like, oh, here she is. I guess she grew up a bit. Good for her. Good for her. So yeah, this is cool. Oh, this is actually about the Swedish Beauty Awards, the one that I went to. I didn't know you get a magazine. That is cool. Oh, also they said something here, limited edition, and that is something that Glossybox has that I have not seen any of the other subscription box services have, and that is, oh, this is actually a box within a box. Like, do you see there is a box inside the box? That's so cool. And that is that they have limited edition boxes. So a couple of times a year, you can order a limited edition box at a discounted price if you are a subscriber of the box, and that one is a luxury box. And I have heard that the limited edition boxes from Glossybox are amazing. Like, the value is through the roof. So if you are subscribed to Glossybox, don't forget to check out the limited edition boxes. And even if you aren't subscribed, I think you can still order them, but they will just be a tad more expensive. So I am not subscribed to Glossybox. I just have this box, but I thought it'd be fun to show you because I've never done anything like this. And all my like American YouTube friends, they always do fun stuff like this, and I never get to do it. But now I can. So we open up the box and let's see if we can not like spoil the surprise and see everything. Oh, look how beautiful this is. And it says Hey Beautiful. Wow, this is nice. Look at this box. I'm gonna save this box. Boxes like this are amazing for storing palettes. Just so you know. Okay, so I am gonna untie this bow. Let's see what this card says. Hey beautiful, wait here. Vi på Glossy box letar över hela världen efter skönhetsprodukter, testa allt som kommer i vår väg. Yadri. Okay. Beauty is individually and there is no right or wrong. This month we want to ask you what is beauty for you. Oh yeah. Also, I wanted to mention what's wrong with me? When you sign up to the box, they will ask you some questions so that you can get products that are most fitted for you and your taste. They said that in here as well. I got a gift certificate. I'm guessing I got a gift certificate. I'm guessing the gift certificate is valid if I make an order over a certain sum. That's usually how it is. So it's got a little sticker. So let's open that and see what's inside the paper. And this box contains, from what I've seen from my friends in Sweden that unbox Glossy box, it contains both skincare and makeup and also like other cool stuff. Like it can be like a cereal bar or it can be like pads. So this is pads to go, always dailies. I don't use these. I only use tampons, so I'm gonna see if somebody I know want this, but I do think that this is a smart thing to give in a box. Because if, like, anyone that opens this box, if you don't want them, you bet your sweet ass you know somebody who does, because we all have our period. I mean, ooh, this is a Luxy brush. Don't really use fan brushes though, but I do appreciate getting a Luxy brush. This is the Luxy 560 medium fan. It's got a nice like white pearlized handle. I'm impressed. A brush, that's nice. I like it. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not because I don't use fan brushes. But if I decide not to keep it, I'll just put it in my giveaway pile. But that's nice, a brush. Ooh, this is a... Oh, really? This is a Karl Lagerfeld? I have no idea how to say that in English. Model Co. Baked Blush Rose Beige. Did you know they made makeup? I'm confused. They make makeup? It's his face on. Do you see that? Like, it's literally his face on. Do you see that? That's kind of stupid. But this is pretty. This is like a peachy, like almost like a blush topper. Oh, this is pretty. This could be a highlighter if you have medium to dark skin tone. This could be a blush topper or a blush if you're lighter to like pale. This is nice, and this is smart to put in like a subscription box because a lot of people could use this. That is nice. I like that. I like that, and I like the small size. Might bring this traveling. Okay, that's nice. And then we got, ooh, Butanic. Butanio. I have no idea. This is a blush serum. Nourishing. Water-based cheek and lip color. Ooh, wow, really? But I want to be the person, like, I want to be like the glossier, like, model-esque. Like, I want to be that person. I'm not, but I want to be. Okay, let's see what this is all about. I don't like that the hole is so big, because I feel like I could get too much out. That's pink. Wow, what is the color of this one? Barba Papa. I have no idea what this is called. That is pink. It says water-based though, so maybe we can... But that's so pink! I think that this one would look the best on someone with a medium skin tone. I think that this would look the best on someone with a medium skin tone. I very rarely wear a very pink blush, so I don't know. Do I have someone who wants this? Maybe I should dabble into this. It said I could use it on my on my lips as well. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay, that's nice. What is this? 20% discount on body yogurt on Body Shop. Oh, I love the smells of Body Shop. Okay, so I get a coupon code if I want to try the body yogurt. That's not bad though, that you get those little things in as well, like some extra things. I'm not mad at that. I think that's pretty nice. This is the Rodial Suede Lips. Rodial is a pretty pricey brand here in Sweden, and I know the brand isn't Swedish. At least I think the brand isn't Swedish. Do you hear that? That's my dishwasher. Sorry. Girls gotta keep things clean, okay? Let me see if I can get this off. Okay, so this is some kind of lip pen. Ooh! Suede lips. I love this color. What is this color called? Big Apple, and it says not for sale, so I'm guessing that this is a special deluxe sample that you are supposed to give away as a sample. So I'm guessing then that this one comes in a bigger size, in the bigger actual size, but this seems like a good size to me. Are you supposed to, like, you can't twist them? Do you, like, I'm guessing you sharpen them? Let's see if we can... Oh, this is pretty. They feel a bit dry though. But that might get the longevity up for a really long time. But look at that color. That is a pretty color. That is a very pretty color. Ooh, I am liking that. Did I tell you that I filmed this look? I did film this look. If I didn't tell you, I did. Oh my god, I love these. Oh, I got one. Oh, I'm so excited. And I got one that I didn't have. This is the Lip Juicers by Body Shop. These are goals packed as a eraser. These are so good. Let me see if I can open this one. It has like a sticker on. Oh yeah. This is a lip balm, a colored lip balm. Oh, that smells so good. I got mine in strawberry... No, that's not what I got in. Strawberry pomegranate aloe vera. Aloe vera? Aloe vera or aloe vera? Aloe vera. Oh, it smells so good. This is the third one I have. I got one before in PR. I got the one in raspberry something something. Loved it so much that just owning that for like a week, I went and I got another one, and then I got the melon kiwi one. And all of these smell so good. The blueberry one smells so good as well, and the dragon they all smell good. Okay, they all smell good. They're amazing. Now I own 3 and I'm so excited. This is not bad. Like, this is $10 on its own, and this is great. So this on its own makes like the box worth it to me. Let me see if I can find like what is this box worth. Oh, I got another. There's a lot of discounts in here. I like that. I think that's nice. I mean, it gives you like an extra something something. Ooh, and they're also talking about some news. Like, that's nice. Oh, here is the... No, it's not. What? They say the highlighter is 355 crowns. I am not even kidding you. That's like $40. I don't know if I paid that. I mean, it's pretty AF, but Would I pay that? I don't know that. Okay, they're saying that the fan brush is 185 crowns, which is about $20. So I'm guessing I have to find the things myself in here. I know that this is like 80 or 89 Swedish crowns, which is basically $10. I also saw the blush serum is 128 crowns, which is like $15 for 10 milliliters. And is this 10 milliliters? Is this the full size? Like, why don't I get it like a card or something? Like, I would like a card. Okay, I'm so stupid because it's literally on the back side of this card. That's so stupid. Okay, I cannot believe that this is 355. This is nice though. It is really nice. It is really nice. I have to say that. Would I pay that much? I don't know, but it's nice. Ooh, and this one in full size is, because this one is 2.4. No, this is a full size. This is a full size and it's 280 crowns, which is like $30. These are some pricey stuff. Wow, and also of course the always dailies to go, which they are saying is a bonus. So every box contains 5 products and this one has a bonus product, which is this one. So this is now one of the products and that is 17 crowns for 20, which is basically like $2. $2. So yeah, that was fun. This was fun. What do I mean, I love this. I love this. This is so good. And this one is very nice. I'm gonna bring this packing because I love a glowy cheek. I'm gonna use this as a blush or blush topper. I'm not too sure about this one. I mean, that's pink. But this one is really pretty. I'm gonna try this out and see how I like it. You know what? I like this box. I think that this was fun. The brush, I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna use it because I do have some fan brushes as well that I don't use. So I might put this in a giveaway pile. I like getting a brush, but I mean, obviously I would have liked the brush that I use, but that's just a personal thing. I don't use fan brushes. But yeah, all in all, I thought that this was an amazing box. Amazing box. Have you tried Glossy box? I thought that this was fun. Maybe you get jaded after a while. I don't know. I've never done something like this before. I thought it was a lot of fun. If this is something you would like to see me continue to do on my channel, let me know. I mean, I'm open for suggestions. And yeah, that was everything for this video. Do let me know what you think about this video and how you feel about me trying something new on my channel. I need to try new things, otherwise in the end I'm gonna get bored and we don't want that. Thank you so much for being here and don't forget to subscribe if you are not. The button is down below. I'd love to see you in my next video, which will be very soon.